Academy and Studio. Let us study the makeup kit and its importance. I believe that all women are pretty without makeup, but with the right makeup and right makeup kit, anybody can be pretty powerful. First, let us understand the brush types and the kit. There are two types of brushes. First, that is a natural brush. Second, synthetic brush. The natural form is generally used for the powder form and the synthetic one are used for the cream and liquid one. So this is the brush kit which the professionals use. It contains total 24 brushes. Starting with the powder brush. This is the eyeshadow brush which we generally apply. This brush is specifically designed to allow smooth and blending of the eyeshadow. Second, this is the round brush with the soft bristles used to blend the eyeshadow. Now, let's move on to the eyebrow kit. Eyebrows are a great place to start with your makeup. They really matter how your face looks. So, there are 4 forms which can be used for doing an eyebrow. First, gel form. Second, cream form. Third, pencil. And fourth, pen or a sketch. First, gel form. This comes in a small pot. You can either use a black color or a brown color, but I would prefer brown. Is much better for your eyebrows as it looks natural. Just like you use hairspray to set your hairs, eyebrow gel is used to fix up your brows. Eyebrow gel is the best way to make your eyebrows look fuller and thick. It is an easy way to tame your brows and make them look good. Second, cream form. It has a velvety consistency which is used to fill up your brows. Coming to moisturizer. Let's go. What is moisturizer used for? It is used to reduce the skin dryness, roughness and minor skin irritations. It is an important element to apply before makeup so that your makeup sets in. A moisturizer keeps your skin hydrated. If you use a daytime moisturizer, make sure that it includes more of SPF so that it protects you from sun. A moisturizer also has its form like cream form, liquid form, serum form and gel form. The alternative of moisturizer is serum. This is a serum and this is a liquid form moisturizer. Both has its different uses. The alternative of moisturizer is face serum. It helps you to deliver smoothness into your skin. Face serum penetrates more deeper. The foundation now. Everybody knows the word foundation, but why is it applied? Foundation is a skin colored makeup used to apply to the skin to create an even color to the complexion to cover all the flaws. A foundation changes your whole look. So, these are the foundations. One with a matte finish, one with a satin finish. Short foundation and find perfect coverage foundation for your skin. Let's understand the coverage of foundation. If you love your freckles, choose a sheer or a lightweight foundation. If you want to even out your skin tone, select semi-matte foundation, that is satin foundation. It gives you a medium coverage. If you have blemishes or redness that you want to cover, Then choose the high coverage foundation, that is, the matte foundation. Remember, your foundation should be one shade light. Let's move on to the highlighter. Highlighter, as the name suggests, it's the favorite of all the women, right? It's glow time. Let's see the uses of a highlighter. As simple as that. A highlighter is a makeup that attracts light, creating the illusion of brightness. It gives a beautiful, seamless shine. A highlighter, known in the market such as illuminator or strobe. There are three forms of highlighter, known as first, the powder form, second,